Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having an amazing day. Taking a quick look here at QNT, seeing what's going on with all quant. It's been a little while since we covered this here last. I want to just make sure we cover a few things. Got a lot of requests for this too, so I can totally see why it does look like it wants to break free from this most recent resistance range. It is looking like a support level too here for us. So again, 79 upwards of 80. I'm just kind of rounding up a little there. That is somewhat of a support range based on previous resistance turned support. Okay, so that's generally what we're looking for. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Just want to say thanks again so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind, please hit the like button, comment below, get a chance. Absolutely help grow the channel. Quick congrats to our community members here as well for some awesome profits here from Rune Protocol, 22% trade we took last night, 45% from Bitcoin. We took Bitcoin long, about 59K. A good 7-day trade there. Really quick chain link trade in and out, 10%. And then Caspa, 64%. So if you want access to that, of course, feel free. CryptoCache.tech is a site link down below. I would recommend more so just attending for the trading university so you can learn as much as you can. I think it's important. I got a lot of new traders coming over. And also, first of the month, we did just start and roll over with some new slots available. So if you were waiting last month, you can jump on over now. Okay, so QNT, what are we looking at here? Daily time frame, we want to recognize a few important things, such as the moving averages. We're over the 20 SMA. Generally, this will run concurrent with the descending trend. Okay, so being above that is phenomenal. Absolutely a good sign here, letting us know we're on the right side of tracks. You can also see somewhat of a bullish backtest, this descending trend line, reaffirming the fact that that support level is holding. It's also, again, a more recent daily candlestick closure. So, again, those are some factors that are positive. Stochastic is still swinging up, but it's losing a little momentum. We might be near the end of this initial uptrend. However, we do take a look at RSI. We're right there at 50. Breaking through that would be very solid and an extremely important thing for us, allowing us to continue higher. Money flow index is also extremely high, so we see a lot of money flowing in this coin the last 4 trading days, or 5 trading days rather, and you just got to recognize that's a lot of volume. Okay, so sustainability is there. It shows we weren't willing to go any lower than 73, and that the current price point is justified. So these are all very, very positive signs. 4-hour time frame, we want to recognize too as well. We got stochastic swinging down, RSI close to 70, and money flow index high. Generally, when I see that, I kind of wait for the price to pull back or calm down a little bit. It may not pull back much. So ideally, if we consolidate here for another couple of hours in this range of 78 to 80, there's a solid chance we will see the next leg up to go ahead and get our continuation pattern, right? Again, testing a more recent high as a new low. That's effectively what's happening right now. And the great thing about this is Bitcoin pulled back pretty substantial today, and QNT didn't. That's a sign that it's a good, strong coin and a decent probability of success if you were to take a long versus a short. Keep in mind, coming up into a resistance range, roughly at about 8250, that is the resistance there based on a 200-day SMA. It's not a cut and dry line in the sand. You just hit that level, it turns around, but that range will pose some problems moving forward. And we do take a look at Ichimoku Cloud. We can confirm the lagging span is tentatively free and clear, but barely. Conversion lines below the baseline, so it's losing some momentum. And of course, we're on top of the cloud there. All in all, these are favorable signs, minus the fact that it's not like a green light to want to take a long position. So me personally, I generally like to wait when I see situations like this, even though it could take off at any time. I saw the same thing happen earlier today with Polkadot, for example. It's a coin I've been watching for 48 hours. It took off when I was off running some errands earlier today and couldn't do anything about it. Again, do I have FOMO? Occasionally. But for the most part, I don't worry about it. Okay. Again, new opportunities arise all the time. So try not to, FOMO into coins. Sometimes I think right now it's best generally not to. Make sure you secure profits when you can and use low leverage whenever possible. But that is essentially what we're looking at there for the hourly. Most things are pretty decent. We take a quick look at our TPO for the day. Ideally, we want to be above the current point of control at $80.30, which we are, implying that the bulls are controlling the session and the likelihood of the price going higher is greater because of that. Again, we have this more recent support range based on previous closers. So 79 to 80 is a solid consideration for entry if you're looking for one. I'm going to go ahead and set my alert down here closer to 79.50 just to get see if I can reevaluate and see if it might be worth jumping in later if we even come down that low. If we don't, I'm on to the next, right? That's how trading should work. Try not to spend too much time in one thing and get your heart broken when the price runs and you didn't get in. It's okay. It happens. That's all we got, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. Join us over on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, now TikTok Shorts. Believe it or not, these are a lot of fun, and be happy to help you out. Otherwise, once again, just so you know, if you've been waiting to join our premium group, first of the month, we got new slots available. So feel free to check that out if you like. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again so much for your time. We'll see you next one. Take care.